I kind of feel like a children's toy with these like Crayola colors. Hello, my freaks. Today we're back to Jaime making the outfits, so let's take a look. Okay, yellow and green. It's like Oregon Ducks fan, but really insincere. It's like we're going to the game, but secretly we want them to lose. Okay, here's the look. It's both better and worse than I thought it would be. I don't know what's with Jaime and trying to layer little sweaters over big shirts. It just never works. Um, these greens don't clash as bad as I thought they would. These two, all the others are going to be a problem. Obviously, we need to pick a shoe here. I think my favorite part of this outfit is the teapot earrings. Nothing says football fan like a pot of tea with little flowers on it. There's just the teensiest bit of pink on here, so I want to try to play that up. Well, I'm not even sure which pieces I'm going to keep from this outfit, but the first things I did because they were just bugging me were to, well, put matching shoes on, but I picked these yellow sandals, which to be fair, I didn't have at the time Jaime made this outfit. Um, Not just because the color is better, but the style is just not as casual. And then I tucked in the tank top because when you have a bunch of layers that are all the same length, it doesn't provide any visual interest. So it's a start. So in the last episode, those green jeans were really problematic, but I gave them a chance and it worked out. This time, I feel like they just weren't doing anything for us. So I traded them for just regular jeans, and I think that's a lot better. I really need to do something about this whole mess, though. All right, I took the cardigan off, and that helped a lot. And I think maybe this is enough yellow just in the sandals, so I might just keep that. I think I'll try some styling with the top. Alright, we're getting somewhere. I kind of feel like a children's toy with these like Crayola colors. Like these jeans are a very blue jean. Oh, I did say I was going to add some pink, didn't I? This scarf is my go-to pink and green accessory, so I'm going to try this in my hair. It's not very inspiring, but neither was Jaime's original look, so I guess it'll have to do. Okay, here, I'll add one final touch with this mustard bracelet. So here's my final look. Where would I wear this? Well, the important question is when would I wear this? I would wear this literally anywhere in town while everyone else is at the duck game. Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? And who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? Thanks for watching.